moving forward into our crypto. So I'm going to spend a little time here. So there are two scenarios. My primary, which we've been tracking, I mean, we've been pretty good about tracking this and stopping out at the right spots. We reduced our exposure. We did buy down here, but then we started reducing our exposure just in case. And then we started buying back. And basically, we're just going in heavy around in here. And we got fully allocated on this breakout right here. Where was it? Right there. I was telling everybody, breakout above 31 would be our last buy, which was our last big buy. The only reason that we took some gains in crypto is because we compete on an annual basis with active funds, with audited active portfolios, which we are. We're audited portfolio. And so while we are long-term investors, we have to somewhat play this game. We have to. And so that's the only reason that we took gains. Otherwise, I wouldn't have sold a penny of Bitcoin, nor would I sell a penny in what I think is the coming pullback. There's no reason to try and front run terminating this third wave. Okay. The thing about third waves, and we talked about this in the last third wave, they usually have the characteristic of very shallow and frustrating corrections and no gentleman's entry, right? You just got to dive in, right? I mean, look at these, I mean, it's just vertical. And so we're starting to go vertical, okay? This is what a third wave is. Now, there's two ways I think that this is playing out. And actually, this blue count, the more I look into it, I'm starting to think this is probably what's going to happen. Now, I listed the green count right here, which is super shallow, just nothing of a second wave. And then we went vertical. But we are moving into a time factor in mid-December. This is true for Link, for Ethereum, as well as for Bitcoin. We're getting these kind of divergences I like to see, which is, we're getting like lower highs in the composite index. I'd like to see one more high and one more lower high to confirm it. When you get three lower highs on the composite index where price keeps going up, that's usually a sign of a pullback coming. And that would line up better where, we see some kind of a pullback into the end of the year.